Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to find sum of digits of each value in the list and add the sum to next to it. So for example, x equal to 14, 34, 12 is the list of elements. Now I want to output like this. 14, 1 plus 4 means 5. That sum of each element should be appended, should be add next to the element like this. 34, 3 plus 4, 7. We need to add this sum next to it. 12, sum of 1 plus 2 is 3. It should be add next to it. In this way, I need the output. So let's get started. First, we will see the program and later on we will discuss the program. While writing the program, we need to be careful while giving indentation spaces. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. So click on File, click on Save As. Now you can give any file name. Here I am giving add list.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name .py. Now click on Save. Yeah, Python file is saved and also we got Python file here, add list. Now we need to execute this program by using command prompt. So click here and type cmd. This is the command prompt. Now cd space desktop, enter, dictionary, dir, add list.py. This is the file which we have saved just, and type the file name which we have saved just now, file name.py, enter. This is the output we have got. So copy this output and paste here. Now we will see the code line by line. This line of code is used to assign elements like 14, 25, 36 elements in the list to variable x, and this is the line of code used to create empty list and to assign the variable y. Now for I in range of length of x, here length of x means it will calculate how many elements in that list. So 14, 25, 36, these are the elements in the list. Length of x means total number of elements in that list. It contains 3 elements. So length of x means 3 for I in range of 3. Now it will enter the loop n equal to x of I. X of I means it indicates the index value. At that particular index, it will get the value from the list x. Now sum equal to 0. This is the sum variable and we are assigning 0 as the value. Now while n not equal to 0, this is the loop. It will enter that. If the condition is true, it will enter the loop. Now it will perform all these operations like reminder rem equal to n modulus 10. Modulus operator will give reminder of the number and that reminder is stored in rem variable. Now sum equal to sum plus rem. Now n equal to n floor division 10. Here floor division will give the coefficient of that number and after doing floor division, the value stored in n. And after that y dot append xi, the value after doing all these operations, that value will be appended in the y. Y is the empty list here. Now values will be appended. Now y dot append sum. It will append the sum. First we'll append the original value. Suppose 14 will be appended first, and later on sum will append it. By using these two statements, by using this two line of code, first line of code is used to append value in the list x. Second line of code is used to append the sum. Like this, we have to first append the x value elements in the x, and after that sum we need to append. Similar way, after appending the element in the list, it will append the sum. So we got the output like this. This is the original value and this is the sum. This is the original value and this is the sum. In this way, we need to write a Python program to find sum of each digits of a number, and that sum should be sum should be add next to it, like this. I hope everyone clear with this code and output. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. You will see more complex programs in further videos. So, subscribe to my channel.